desk and my chair has came. Amazon, you have been great to me yet again. All right, for those of you who are following me, you already know I've done a empty townhouse tour, and I've also done a unofficial studio tour showing you guys, you know, my little equipment or whatever. Amazon, all of this whole kit is from Amazon. One kit for one inexpensive price. The backdrop and everything came with it. Not the ring light, but the ring light is from Amazon as well. Also, that ring light as well. Okay? Yeah. Putting together my desk from Amazon and my chair from Amazon.
I'm strutting on sunshine. I'm so light on my feet. Strutting on sunshine. Here I feel complete. No matter what I do, no matter what I'm going to, not to worry.
All right, y'all, I got my chair together. It was so easy to put together. All you had to do was stick the roller foot thingies into the metal part, and then you just stick this metal part into this, and then the seat was already put together. You just stick it on top, and boom, it works. And this does go up and down. It go up, then you have to sit on it to make it go down. Does go down. I love it. I'm excited. Next thing is the desk, which I hope is not hard to put together, but this box is so big, y'all. Okay. Try to assemble this. Hopefully it doesn't look too hard. Assemble it, and that's about it. And then they give you a tool to use, which is pretty cute. That's cute. They give you little cards inside for you to send to somebody, like little thank you cards. It says hello you. Let me show you. This one says thank you. So you can just take it in. It's like a little greeting card that you could just fill out and send to someone. So I've got these two pieces put together. All you have to do is put in small screws on both sides and then that's it. They come out like that. So over here, I'm gonna start adding these legs, adding these other pieces to it. All right, so I have the desk upside down. About to attach the wood to the metal legs, so. And all right, guys, my desk is together. This was pretty easy to put together. All you have to do is just screw in the provided screws, and that is it. It is very simple. If I can put it together, you can put it together as well. I have my chair here. Let's move that out of the way. Get some of this trash out of here. So here's my chair. Boom. Look how cute. I love it. I love it. So now I can put my laptop and stuff on here. So yeah, y'all, just, you know, slowly adding a few things to my desk. Of course, I'm gonna have like little organizers. I don't want it to get too crowded on this desk, so you know, I got a little lamp here in case I have late nights to where, you know, I don't want to keep all of these lights here on, or the big light. Don't want that on. Just turn my lamp on here and just go to work for those late nights. So also, you guys know, if you're following my channel, this microphone is from Amazon as well. Perfect mic for podcasts, YouTube voiceovers, even recording music. So if you have not checked out the review for this right here, you will find that in the description box as well. Also, this laptop cover here is from Amazon. How cute is that? Have a link there for you guys too. And boom, check out my keyboard skin. How cute is that? That's from Amazon as well. Look how cute. I love it. I absolutely love it. It's cute. So as you could probably tell, we all Amazoned out over here, y'all. Amazon is like the truth. Like, the quality of this is just, yes, I'm not exaggerating. Pretty, not too heavy, but a heavy duty desk, you know, with this metal going on. And this wood is a little bit on the heavy side too. So very, not easily moved, but easily moved, if you get what I'm saying. Yeah, I just love my little setup. So everything is just slowly coming together. Slowly coming together. So do me a favor, if you're not subscribed to this channel, hit the subscription button right now. Hit the notification bell so you'll know when videos like these are being uploaded. Thanks guys so much for watching. If you have any questions, hit the comment box for me, please. Hit my Instagram inbox, my Facebook inbox, or whatever it is y'all want to hit up. I will gladly answer your questions. If you have not checked out my other videos, have not checked out my Amazon store, I actually have an Amazon storefront page set up that recommends which items you guys should actually order from Amazon. I do get a commission from that if you order from my page. The link is in the description box. Of course, every item you see on these videos that are from Amazon, you already know. You will find those in my Amazon storefront or in the description box. You'll find the links. Thanks so much, guys, for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.